Let's put our focus on that. This is a big twist regarding the Sambhal case, as it has now been tagged as a disputed structure. The court has now called the masjid as a disputed structure. Now, this is coming at a time when it was in last November in 2024 when violence that broke out during a court-monitored survey that was issued, and right after that, of course, when it comes to building up a police post, that was also taken up in the courts, writing that this was a property of the Waqf. However, now the mosque that has been tagged as a disputed structure. This is a development that we are getting to know from the court over there with regards to Sambhal and the violence that had now taken place in the area. The mosque has now been tagged as a disputed site. Now, this is as far as when it comes to the court, which was taking up the matter of Sambhal Shahi Jama Masjid case. This is a development that has now come from the court.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाकर तय होना है, जिसकी पहली सीढ़ी चंदौसी की कोर्ट है और जहां पर यह मामला लंबित है। विवादित इमारत को लेकर सुनवाई।
So this was a petition concerning the Shahi Jama Masjid as far as the bench which is now concerned, because permission that was being taken from the court itself. Pradeep Datta, who is connected with us right now regarding the masjid there during the holy month of Ramzan. However, the court has come out and given the tag of a disputed structure to the mosque. Pradeep, what does it mean?
So this is a very big setback for the Masjid committee, because they had been insisting that this was a mosque, and the Hindu side had always claimed that this was a temple that was demolished during the Mughal period, and that partially demolished, and then they had constructed a mosque. So Hindu side has always been maintaining the same thing, because already we have seen that it was on the basis of the court that on November 24th, the second time the survey was conducted, and during survey the area was properly photographed, and also they had taken the video, and it was only while the survey was being conducted that there was a violence also. We saw that 4 people lost their lives as some people came out on road, they started pelting stone, and somebody from within the mob also opened fire targeting, because they wanted to create a situation which would have led to the riots, and that would have spread to the different parts of the country. That's what actually their aim was, and this has been revealed during the police investigation also.
Vishnu Shankar Jain is connected with us. Let's get in a word from him. Mr. Jain, the court tagging the structure of the mosque of Shahi Jama Masjid as disputed. What does it mean? Mr. Jain?
Yeah, according to me, see, if any matter is there before the court, always if any property is in list or is in dispute before the Honorable Court, either before the Civil Judge Senior Division or before the Honorable Allahabad High Court, it is always called as a disputed structure. So far as Ram Mandir Babri Masjid dispute was also concerned, it was also called as a disputed structure until unless the court gives finality to the issue, to the title, property in question. So what the Allahabad High Court has recorded in today's order is disputed structure, because this is a practice as per the Transfer of Property Act, and this is the practice when a matter is pending sub judice before the Honorable Court, it is always called as a disputed structure.
So any side that cannot now stake claim as far as when it comes to this structure, it is now concerned, because already on the court's instructions were given to the ASI to conduct its inspection and cleanliness as well. But when it comes to staking claim, do you believe that this time it cannot happen now that the court has tagged it as disputed structure?
It cannot, because of a very clear fact that this has been notified by the ASI as an ancient protected monument, as a national monument, and it finds at serial number 250 of the list of the ASI. That notification is not being challenged by any of the parties. So as of now, the fact is that whether this is a mosque as per the AMSAR Act 1958, or whether this is a temple as per the claim of the Hindu plaintiffs. So now when two parties are before the Honorable Court, in the judicial practice, it is always known as a disputed structure. So there is nothing like the High Court has decided the rights of any of the parties. All the contentions of the parties are left open, and everything will be ultimately decided when the civil suit comes to a conclusion.
विष्णु जी, हमारे जो बाकी जो दर्शक है उनके लिए भी आप जरा अगर हम हमें समझा सके कि आखिरकार अगर कोर्ट की तरफ से डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर अगर इसे कहा गया है तो इसका क्या मायने रखते हैं और आगे लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स किस तरह से बढ़ेगी?
देखिए, मेरे हिसाब से डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर तब यूज किया जाता है जब आप कोर्ट में दो पार्टीज कोर्ट में अप्रोच करती हैं। अगर एक पार्टी ये कह रही है कि ये जगह जो है वो हरिहर मंदिर है और दूसरा पार्टी ये कह रही है कि ये जामी मस्जिद है, So court, during the pendency of the judicial proceeding, court cannot take a view that whether it's a mosque or whether it's a temple. So that's why in judicial practice उसे disputed structure के रूप में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, यूज किया जाता है, यही जुडिशियल टर्मिनोलॉजी। और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि राम मंदिर के केस में भी जो पूरा 50-70 साल तक ये डिस्प्यूट चला, तो उसको डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर ही कहा जाता था सारे जुडिशियल प्रैक्टिस में। तो मेरे हिसाब से कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है, ना किसी के राइट्स डिसाइड हुए अभी, ना अभी किसी के खिलाफ कोई बात हुई है। अभी मैटर सब जुडिस है ऑनरेबल इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट में, इसीलिए हाईकोर्ट ने दोनों पार्टीज की ना मंदिर कहा है, ना उसे मस्जिद कहा है, ना एएसआई का राइट अभी कहा है। अभी सारी बातें कंटेंशन अभी ओपन है, जब हाईकोर्ट उसमें फाइनल अपना जजमेंट देगा, इसलिए तब तक के लिए उसमें डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर के रूप में उसको उपयोग किया।
चलिए, धन्यवाद आपका विष्णु शंकर जैन जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। डिस्प्यूटेड साइट और डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर इज व्हाट द हाई कोर्ट हैज नाउ कॉल्ड इट। एज फार एज आचार्य प्रमोद कृष्णम जी इज आल्सो कनेक्टेड विद अस एंड सो इज राहुल ईश्वर। आचार्य जी, आप इसे किस तरह से समझते हैं, क्योंकि ये डेवलपमेंट अभी जो कोर्ट के सामने आई है, अब इसे मस्जिद नहीं कहा जा सकता, ना ही मंदिर कहा जा सकता है, उस जगह को आप डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर का टैग दे दिया है कोर्ट की तरफ से।
देखिए, जहां झगड़ा है, जहां विवाद है, उसको विवादित ही कहा जाएगा। अब डिस्प्यूट जहां पैदा हो गया है वहां डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर कहना कोई गलत नहीं है। हाई कोर्ट ने बिल्कुल ठीक वर्ड यूज किया है, क्योंकि हिंदू तो मानते हैं कि ये मंदिर है और ये बाबर ने तोड़ा था और उसके बाद मस्जिद बना। अब सवाल उठता है कि कोर्ट क्या फैसला देता है। तो जब तक कोर्ट का फैसला आता है, फाइनल डिसीजन आता है, फाइनल वर्डिक्ट आता है, उसके बाद ही डिसाइड होगा ना। मगर हिंदू आस्था के हिसाब से तो वो, और इतिहास के पन्नों में जो दर्ज है, इतिहास में ये बात लिखी हुई है कि संभल में एक मंदिर को तोड़ा गया 1529 में। तो 1526 और 29 में बहुत से मंदिरों को तोड़ा गया था। तो ये इतिहास के पन्नों में भी दर्ज है। दूसरा, लोक मान्यताओं में भी बात है। हम संभल में हैं, यहाँ कल्की धाम बन रहा है, मैं यही हूँ आज भी, जहाँ भगवान का अवतार होगा। पुराणों में ऐसा लिखा है कि भगवान का अवतार संभल की पवित्र धरती पे होगा। तो संभल में भगवान का अवतार होगा। अवतार से पहले श्री कल्की धाम का निर्माण हो रहा, जिसका शिलान्यास भारत के प्रधानमंत्री जी ने किया था। अब सवाल उठता है कि भगवान जहाँ अवतार लेंगे वहाँ मंदिरों को तोड़ा गया। क्यों तोड़ा गया? इसलिए तोड़ा गया कि वहाँ हिंदुओं की आस्था जुड़ी थी। तो अब हाईकोर्ट का जो ये डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर कहना, मुझे लगता है बिल्कुल ठीक है। जब तक विवाद है तो वो विवादित है, इसमें कोई नई बात नहीं है।
चलिए, धन्यवाद आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वेल, दैट इज आचार्य प्रमोद कृष्णम। बट लीगली नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, राहुल ईश्वर, व्हाट्स योर रीडिंग इनटू दिस, बिकॉज नाउ इट विल बी लेबल्ड एज अ डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर as far as when it comes to the Sambhal complex is now concerned. This is a direction coming straight from the court.
As Jain ji and Pramod sir rightly pointed out, whenever there is a dispute, the court always does that. Court is finding merit in this. That's the reason why they have gone ahead with this. This is a very sensitive issue. We have to deal with it very sensitively. We have to take the people into account, the locals also into account, into confidence, because 4 to 5 people have lost their life in the past few months regarding this. Of course, some kind of settlement, understanding needs to be reached, and we need to have our pluralism intact while we deal with such issues. But it is a very significant step, no doubt, because Honorable High Court has given a verdict, and when High Court has termed something, that is the law of the land. So I hope all parties, whether they are Hindus or Muslims, do pay attention to the Honorable Court verdict and try to sort out an amicable solution.
All right. Rahul, thank you very much for joining in. So this is a development that has now come from the court directly. As far as the Allahabad High Court hearing a petition concerning the Shahi Jama Masjid, where as far as the case that was taken up today, because it was the Masjid Management Committee that had sought permission to whitewash the premises ahead of the Ramzan month, a request that had sparked off a lot of discussions in the recent months. But the ASI also was expected to submit its response on the cleanliness of the complex. However, the court had earlier directed the ASI to inspect the premises and to ensure its maintenance. Meanwhile, when it comes to filing a response to the ASI findings, this is as far as the masjid side, the committee's legal representatives who are filing the response to the findings of the ASI. But the mosque, or as far as this complex is now concerned, it has now been tagged, it has now been labeled as a disputed side. Now, as far as taking claim over this complex, because this is coming directly from the court there, this is now the demand of the Hindu side that came in with the Allahabad High Court order that got the Jama Masjid of Sambhal written as a disputed structure. That means no two sides can stake claim over this till the matter is decided by the court, and the ASI, which raised questions on the pressure being exerted by the Muslim side regarding the painting of the mosque. But फकरुल जी भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पर जुड़ गए हैं. अब कॉम्प्लेक्स, अब जिस तरह से कहा जाए शाही जामा मस्जिद को अब वो कॉम्प्लेक्स का नाम दे दिया गया, एक डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर, एक विवादित स्ट्रक्चर का नाम दिया गया है सीधा कोर्ट की तरफ से. आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मैं समझता हूँ या समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि कोर्ट में ऐसा क्या एविडेंस पेश किया गया कि उस स्ट्रक्चर को विवादित स्ट्रक्चर कोर्ट द्वारा किया गया. समाजवादी पार्टी समझती जब वो आदेश सामने आएगा पूरा तब पढ़ने के बाद उस पर जरूर टिप्पणी करेंगे. लेकिन अभी तक उस जो जामा मस्जिद है संभल की, उसको लेके दूसरे तरफ से कोई एविडेंस अभी तक पेश नहीं किया गया था कि वहां पे कुछ और रहा हो. इसलिए अगर किसी धर्म स्थल को विवादित स्थल कहा जाएगा तो वो बिल्कुल भी उचित नहीं है. देश की न्यायपालिका का फैसला है और वो अंतिम फैसला नहीं है, ना अंतिम टिप्पणी है. इसलिए समाजवादी पार्टी समझती जब वो पूरा आदेश सामने आएगा तो जरूर इस पर टिप्पणी करेंगे.
चलिए ठीक है, वी आर वेटिंग ऑल्सो फॉर द फुल ऑर्डर टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द कोर्ट देयर. थैंक यू वेरी मच फकरुल जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. स्वप्निल कठारिया इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड विद अस. Swapnil, legally what does it mean as far as tagging a complex now as a disputed structure? No two sides can stake claim. This is a clear direction that is now coming in from the court there. What does it mean legally?
Well, legally it means that it cannot be one structure as per the decision of the court, meaning if one side says that it was a mosque and the other side says that there was a temple earlier and that's where the mosque has been erected. So neither of those people can stake a claim unless appropriate evidence has been furnished. Now, if you furnish evidence, whether by way of an affidavit or whatever it is, and here Archaeological Society of India will play a major role because that is a governing body. Now, if they come with a conclusion or if they come with a report saying that, yes, there was a temple earlier, then that is something which the court will have to take into consideration. But if they are also ambivalent about it, then I think eventually what the court will say that let the status quo be, and if it happens to be a mosque right now, then let it be unless you can stake a claim otherwise. So it's like saying that, if I say that my check is forged, then, I have to prove that my check was forged and this is my signature. So it's for me to prove. It's not for the other side to say that, my check was correct and I have not forged it. It's for me to say that the check was forged. So it's a sort of a distant comparison because this is a different issue and that is a different issue, but the logic is the same behind it. The legal logic is the same, that if anybody says to that extent that, yes, there was a temple earlier, then you have to prove that. You have to tender evidence to that effect. Otherwise, what is going to happen is that this will all continue ad nauseum with respect to other places as well. I'm not saying that either of the side is right or wrong. I'm just pointing it out to you, the quandary that the court is in right now. So that's why the court says...
So this is now it comes to providing evidence as far as when it comes to this structure is concerned, whether or not previously it was a temple that was broken down to construct a masjid. That now depends mainly on the ASI, which now plays a pivotal role. Swapnil Kothari, thank you very much for joining in. Mr. Kothari will, legally, if he's helping us understand how the case legally will now proceed. Vinod Bansal ji bhi hamare saath abhi phone line pe jud gaye, because Vinod बंसल जी, अब ये कॉम्प्लेक्स को अब विवादित स्ट्रक्चर के नाम पे अब कोर्ट की तरफ से सीधा डायरेक्शन आई. आपको क्या लगता है कि अब जो रोल है एएसआई का वो कितना बढ़ जाता है?
नेचुरली देखिए, एएसआई का रोल बहुत बड़ा है, था भी और है भी और रहेगा भी. एएसआई इज अ वर्ल्ड नोन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन and it has a prestigious body also, which has been recognized by so many countries also, as well as our own country. और आप देखिए कि ये तो नेचुरली एक डिस्प्यूटेड स्ट्रक्चर ही है. यू कैन नॉट टेक इट एज ए मॉस्क. That's why it is on the same line when the Ram Janmabhoomi case was also heard by the Honorable Supreme Court and High Courts. तो उन सब ने बेसिकली यही कहा कि ये विवादित ढांचा है. Unless it is proven You cannot say it's a temple or a mosque.
So no two sides can take, stake claim over now this structure which has now been tagged as a disputed site by the court there. Thank you very much, Vinod Bansal ji, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. This is a big development and we'll getting more reactions on this as far as when it comes to the Jama Masjid of Sambhal has now been written as a disputed structure by the court. We head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.